Hello, welcome back to my channel. No. Welcome back to my channel. It's Izzy Wonderland. I am here to show you how to do my yes girl look. This is my personal everyday wear. I love this pop-up color with a little wing liner and some lashes. And if you want to find out how you can do this too, just keep watching. Period. This is my yes man look. Honey. Oh, I like this. It's a little dark for me. It's not. I'm lighter, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. So next we're gonna set our under eyes with airspun. You can get this anywhere. I mean, it's really good. I have used this for a long time. I'm using the color in honey beige because I feel like sometimes the translucent color leaves a little white residue on me personally. Now while we let that sit, we let it bake, I'm going to do my brows. I'm using a pomade from Anastasia. And I'm going to shape my brows a little bit. I have very light brows. So just to get a little effect, I'm going to fill them in just a little bit. Next I put a little concealer and I just cut the brows, and it also highlights under the brow bone as well as gives me a base for my my eyeshadow. Use this, I'm just curious, and I haven't really used powder on top in a long time because my skin is really dry. And I usually tend to go with more of like a dewy finish. But I was curious to see this product. So I got like just a little bit. And I already dusted off the airspun. So I'm just like... You know it's gonna get real when we get to this prime look. So first, I'm going in with a brownish color in my crease, contours and warms up the eye. That is the first transition color. So I'm using a fluffy brush. Again, you can get these kind of brushes anywhere. My favorite are Morphe right now, and obviously MAC, but if you want to get a really good brush for way cheaper price, Morphe is the way to go. Like after I stopped working at MAC, I always buy Morphe brushes because they're really good. Next I'm going in with like a soft deep pink. And I got these new when Morphe had a sale, the jefreestar JS9, and this one is, oh, I love the way it blends. Listen. Next we're gonna go on the lid, and we're just using a flat synthetic brush because we're just gonna pack on the color in the inner part of the lid. And I'm using a like shimmery, glittery-ish color. And then I'm going in with my Inglot Sparkling Dust Face, Eyes, and Body Powder. And then I just go in the inner corner. I've already put my mascara on, and then we're going back to the face. So I'm using my JS21 brush again, and I'm going in the now I'm using Wish and Regal from Anastasia's. You see what I mean? I'm not playing around. Okay, so the last part of this look that brings everything together is the pop of color. So right now my favorite is Kylie Jenner's Boss. I got the lip kit. And now while you're doing your makeup, you want to make sure your lips are moisturized. Alright, this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this look. It's very simple. It's a little bit more than the, you know, super natural everyday look. But I love this. Like, I can wear this every day and I feel good. I feel very, like, yes, easy. I get so distracted easily. But I'll be leaving the details of the products that I use. Girl, I just wanted to come outside so you can see. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm so in love with this look. I hope you guys did too. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you, IZZYWONDERLAND fam. Love y'all. Peace.